very rare 57 Chevy Black Widow package. It's got a 283 fuel injection.
Then I had it rebuilt for $1,000. Wow. There's about $16,000 here around. Yeah, I bet.
And you heard the owner there, that's 16 grand just for the top end. The car, very special. You see the fuel injection badge. It was made for NASCAR. Interior is very Spartan. The back windows don't go down. It's got 3-speed on a tree, but it's overdrive. No back seat. No lighter, which a lighter was important back when they smoked in the 50s. We bought it for a parts car and found out what it was worth later. He's owned it 35 years. Has no carpet inside. Very plain. Very, very rare.